When is the last time you upgraded the sway bar bushings on your Sprinter van? Energy Suspension's performance polyurethane sway bar bushings are more durable and will outlast stock rubber sway bar bushings. They also have a higher durometer than stock rubber sway bar bushings, allowing for increased performance to your vehicle. Old worn-out sway bar bushings lead to more sway and movement to the body of your vehicle while turning. Don't risk rolling your Sprinter van because of bad bushings. Upgrade to Energy Suspension's performance polyurethane sway bar bushings today. Sway bar bushing sets are available in both red and black. All Energy Suspension products are backed by our 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty.